Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are gonna make fish fry. So a lot of my friends have asked for it. They keep saying that we love fish but we don't know how to cook it, how to fry it. So today we are gonna do fish fry. So for that I have taken a pearl spot fish here. You can have any fish, maybe a pomfret or kingfish, any fish that you get. That can also, we can do the same process for that also. I've got a pearl spot fish here. This is what we are going to fry today. So let's see the masalas that we need for it. So first I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, normal red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of pepper, black pepper powder, a pinch of turmeric powder. I'll also add half a teaspoon of salt. Salt is as per your taste. And we will add about a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now finally we will squeeze in some lemon juice. So we will mix this to form a smooth paste. This is formed into a nice paste. We would need some more water to it to make it smooth. So I'll add maybe a teaspoon of water, not more than that. We've now made this into a nice paste, as you can see it here. So this is the consistency that we need. I will now take the fish. So I will make some gashes. I will make some cut here. The other side as well. Like this. Now I will marinate this with masala that we just made, like this. We'll have to put the masala into every cut that we made so that it gets into it nicely. So this is nicely marinated now. We will keep this for about an hour. You can also refrigerate this. So this is nicely done now. I'm gonna keep this for about an hour before we fry it. So we are done with it. This goes into the refrigerator for about an hour. So after about an hour, I've taken the marinated fish out of the refrigerator. Now we will fry this pan. I'm gonna switch on the flame. We'll wait for the pan to get heated. Go some oil. So we're gonna shallow fry this, so we don't need much of oil. Tablespoon of oil would be more than enough. We will wait for the oil to get heated. So the oil is heated now. Now we are gonna place the marinated fish here. This is pearl spot fish. It's known as karimeen. So here goes the fish. And we will cook this in about medium flame. So we will also put some curry leaves on top of this. This will give a different aroma. So we will close this with a lid. Why we are closing this is because it gets cooked evenly. So we'll close this and we'll wait for about 5 to 7 minutes. And after that we'll just flip this. So after about 5 minutes, we're now gonna flip this. We'll turn this around. As you can see, it is nicely cooked. We'll now cook the other side. Now after flipping this, we will not cover this. So we will not close the lid, we will keep it open like this. And we will further cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. So after about 3 to 4 minutes, this is now finely cooked, finely fried, and it is ready to be served. We will serve it with some onion, and I will show. Please do try this at home and send us your feedback. So also do follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Link for both these are given below the video. So please do follow us there. Also don't forget to subscribe the channel, and when you subscribe it, please press the bell button so that you don't miss out on any of the videos that we send. And till the time we meet up with another good recipe like this, thank you and goodbye.